Okay, girls, be honest. How many times have you opened your school bag and thought, wait, why is there so much stuff in here? Random papers, pens that don't even work, old receipts, empty wrappers, and somehow, the one thing you actually need is always hiding at the very bottom. So, if you want your school bag to be cute, clean, organized, but also actually useful, this video is for you. Today, we're going through the things every girl should keep in her school bag, from everyday essentials to those little emergency things you don't think you'll need until you really need them. So grab your bag, take everything out, because we're about to turn that messy backpack into the perfect school bag. Good pencil case. Let's start with something you obviously need. Your pencil case. But here's the thing. You don't need to carry your entire stationery collection to school. I know cute pens are tempting. You see a pretty pink pen and suddenly you're thinking, well, I need this one too. And before you know it, your pencil case weighs more than your actual textbook. So instead, keep the stationery you actually use. A few good pens, a pencil, an eraser, a sharpener, a ruler, and maybe 2 or 3 highlighters or colored pens. If you're someone who loves making cute and organized notes, you can keep a few extra colors too. But try not to overfill your pencil case, because the goal is to make your life easier, not spend 5 minutes searching for one pen. And honestly, having a cute, organized pencil case just makes opening your bag feel so much nicer. Small notebook. Next up, keep a small notebook in your bag. And no, I'm not talking about another huge notebook that's going to make your bag even heavier. I'm talking about a small one that you can use for random things throughout the day. Maybe your teacher suddenly gives you an assignment. Maybe you remember something you need to do later. Maybe your friend tells you something important. Or maybe you suddenly get a really good idea and don't want to forget it. Just write it down. You can also use it as a mini to-do list. For example, submit assignment, study chapter 3. Bring project tomorrow. Buy new pens. Little things like this can make you feel so much more organized. And the best part? It takes almost no space in your bag. Water bottle. Okay, this one might not be the most exciting thing on the list, but it is definitely one of the most important, a water bottle. If you're spending several hours at school or college, you don't want to keep going through the entire day without drinking enough water. And carrying your own reusable bottle is so much easier. Plus, if you choose one that you actually love, maybe something cute and simple, you're much more likely to remember to use it. Just make sure it's not unnecessarily huge or heavy. Because imagine carrying your backpack, books, laptop, stationery, and then a giant water bottle on top of everything. At that point, you're basically doing a workout before class even starts. Your little personal care pouch. Now we're getting into the girl essentials. I highly recommend having one small pouch specifically for personal care items. Instead of throwing everything randomly into your bag, just put these little things into one pouch. You can keep tissues, wet wipes, hand sanitizer, lip balm, a small mirror, hair ties, and anything else you personally like to carry. This is especially helpful because you won't have to search through your entire bag every time you need something. You just take out the pouch, find what you need, and put it back. And please keep a couple of extra hair ties, because somehow the day you actually need one is always the day when you can't find a single one. It's basically a universal girl problem. An emergency period pouch. Now this is something I think every girl should consider keeping in her school bag. A small emergency period pouch. Even if you aren't expecting your period that day, it's always better to be prepared. You can keep a few sanitary products, tissues, or wipes, and if you have enough space, an extra pair of underwear. You don't need a huge pouch, just something small and discreet that can stay inside your backpack. And honestly, this isn't only useful for you. Sometimes your friend might suddenly need something too. And being able to say, "Don't worry, I have one," is such a good feeling. So keep a small emergency pouch somewhere private but easy to reach. Future, you will definitely thank you for it. A mini touch-up pouch. Okay, now let's talk about something a little more fun. Your mini touch-up pouch. But remember, you don't need to carry your entire makeup bag to school. We're keeping this simple. Maybe a lip balm, lip gloss, a small mirror, and if you use it, a compact powder. That's honestly enough. This isn't about doing a full makeup routine during lunch break. It's just for those little moments when you want to freshen up. Maybe you've had classes all morning. Maybe it's really hot outside. Maybe you're meeting your friends after school. Or maybe you just want to check if your hair and lip gloss are still cooperating. A tiny touch-up pouch makes all of that much easier. And because it's small, it won't take up half your backpack. Charger or power bank. Now imagine this. You're sitting in class. Your phone is on 2%. You have an important message to send. You need your phone for something. And suddenly you're watching that battery percentage disappear. 2%. 1%. And then black screen. So if you use your phone a lot, carrying a small power bank can be really useful. You can keep a charging cable with it too. You don't necessarily have to carry a huge power bank every single day. A small one is enough for emergencies. And even if you don't use it yourself, there will probably be a day when someone around you desperately needs a charger. So this is definitely one of those better to have it and not need it things. A small snack. Okay, let's be honest. Sometimes school lunch feels like it's 3 business days away. That's why keeping a small snack in your bag can be such a lifesaver. You can keep something simple like a granola bar, crackers, nuts, or any snack that you like. Especially if you have a long day, after-school activities, or a long commute home. Just make sure whatever you keep doesn't easily spill or make a mess. And please, check your bag regularly. We are keeping a snack in the bag. We're not trying to accidentally grow a new ecosystem in there. So don't forget about it for 3 weeks. Mini emergency kit. You don't need to carry an entire first aid box with you, but having a few small emergency items can be really useful. For example, you can keep a couple of bandages, tissues, wipes, and a few basic personal care items. You can put everything inside a tiny pouch so it doesn't get lost between your books. You might not use these things every day, but imagine getting a tiny cut, having a shoe problem, spilling something on yourself, or suddenly needing a tissue, and then realizing you actually have exactly what you need. It's such a small thing, but it can save you from a lot of unnecessary stress. An extra tote bag. And finally, this one might sound random, but trust me, keep a foldable tote bag. It takes almost no space when folded, but it can be so useful. Maybe you suddenly have extra books. Maybe you buy something after class. Maybe you need to carry a project. Or maybe your backpack is already completely full and you need somewhere else to put a few things. Instead of carrying everything awkwardly in your hands, just take out your little tote bag and your problem is solved. You can also keep a few tiny emergency things with it, like safety pins or a small stain-removing wipe, if you have enough space. You don't need to carry every possible emergency item. Just choose the things that actually make sense for your daily routine. Final bag check. So now, before you close your backpack, let's do one final check. Do you have your stationery? Your notebook or planner? Your water bottle? Your personal care pouch? Your emergency period pouch? Your little touch-up pouch? Your charger or power bank? A small snack? And your basic emergency essentials? Perfect. But there's one more thing you should remember. Your school bag doesn't have to contain everything. Sometimes we see those perfectly organized Pinterest bags with 50 different things inside and think we need all of them. But you don't? The perfect school bag is not the one with the most stuff. It's the one where everything you actually need has a place. So keep your bag practical, keep it organized, and yes, make it cute too. And that's your ultimate school bag checklist. Before your next school or college day, take everything out of your backpack, clean those random papers and wrappers, organize your pouches, and put everything back where it belongs. Trust me, there is something so satisfying about opening your bag in the morning and knowing exactly where everything is. No more digging through 17 pens. No more searching for your lip balm for 10 minutes. No more finding a random snack from 3 weeks ago. Just a clean, cute, organized bag that actually makes your day easier. Cute bag, organized bag, stress-free day.